ahead. Down the path of forgiveness, salvation's waiting there. You built a mighty fortress, 10,000 burdens high. Love is here to lift you up, here to lift you high. If you're lost and wandering, come stumbling in like a prophet. Hear the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. All who stray and walked away, unspeakable things you've done. You fix your eyes on the mountain, let the past be dead and gone. Come all you saints and sinners, you can outrun God. Whatever you've done can't overcome the power of the blood. If you're lost and wandering, come stumbling in like a viper. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. If you're lost and wrecked again, come stumbling in like a viper. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. Chains fall, let the 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 chains fall. If you're lost and wandering, come stumbling in like a fire. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. If you're lost and wrecked again, come stumbling in like a fire. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. Gates of glory open